Hello everyone and welcome to this product design with Figma. I'm Adeni Oshibamowo, a graduate of ESFAM Benin University, Port Novo, Republic of Benin. I've worked as a designer for over 11 years now, ranging from graphic designing to motion designing to web design and product design. And over the years, I've worked with clients in Nigeria and across Nigeria, even across the globe. As a designer, you get to work with people across the universe because you get to meet them on a platform where you do not even need to meet them face to face, and your work will of course speak for you. And as a designer, I've worked with softwares ranging from CorelDRAW to Adobe Photoshop to Adobe Illustrator and now Figma. And I'm introducing this course Figma to you because Figma is now a tool that is widely used, and it covers every comprehensive aspect of other softwares or other design softwares with an easy to use interface. Figma is basically used for user interface design, for web design, for mobile apps, for web apps, but with the comprehensive tools that has been included in the software, you can even use it to do brochures, you can use it to do flyers, you can use it to create logos that other software design can do as well. User interface design course is going to take you from the scratch to an advanced designer. And with this course, the process will include introduction to the user interface design, where we'll talk about what is user interface design itself. Then we go further into the application, the software that will be needed for this design, which is Figma. You get to know the web-based Figma and you get to know the software-based Figma, which can be installed on your computer. And furthermore, we'll go into talking about the user interface of the software itself. And from then on, we'll talk about task flow, user persona, because this is what we will want to talk about. The task flow will guide you into knowing what you want to design in itself. Then we'll talk about the user flow, which is the flow about the design, how the user will interact with the product, with the design, from the splash screen to the definition of the task that is being handed to you. And from then on, we move on to the low fidelity design. Here you get the base design system, the base design template, just like a scratch. And this will guide you and guide us, both of us, into getting into the high fidelity mockup design, which is the design in itself. You get to see where we add colors, where we add logos, where we add different design styles and themes and so on. And from then we'll go on to the prototyping. Here the product will come alive. We get to test it. If it's a mobile app, you get to test it on your mobile device. If it's a web app, you get to see it tested on our laptop screen. Let's head over to my laptop screen where I'll show you some design concepts. Okay, so this is my screen now. I will just put you through some of the things we are going to learn. This is a low fidelity file for a stock app, for the fintech app. This is the authentication screen. We will go to recreate this together. This is the splash screen. This is the login screen for a mobile app. This is the home screen. The task for this project is for us to create a fluid registration process and for users to be able to fund their wallets and invest. So that's what we focused on in creating this app. And let me just quickly show you the high fidelity mockup file. And you see that one seems to be a black and white color. This is the high fidelity mockup file. All these screens are what we are going to recreate in the course together. So let me show you the mockup file. I mean the prototype, so that you will see how it actually will look like on a mobile device. So if you head down to this high fidelity mockup file, okay. So let me just go back to the first screen here. So this is the first, this is the splash screen. So when you log in, you can create a login and you log in. So you can test this on our mobile device. So there's a way we'll discuss on it and we'll test on our mobile device upon the completion of this design. So this is our home screen. You can take out the menu, you can click outside, the menu slides back, you can create the fund account, click on bank transfer, and then you'll be able to transfer into your account, and then you can click on account and make a debit card, and that one will work as well. And then you can come down to invest here, and then you select the stock you want to invest in, and you can check your history of turnover. These and many more are what we are going to create in this course. Let me quickly show you the web app project. A web app project, because like I said, the UI design course with this Figma application, you can create web apps and you can create mobile apps. So these are mobile screens. This is a mobile screen. Let me zoom in a bit so that you see how it looks like. This is the home screen with the menu. All these are what we are going to create together. So let me show you the mock-up file of something like this as well, the prototype of something like this as well. So this is how it's going to look like on the laptop screen. And so when you scroll down, you have all this is the footer, this is the header, and if you click on the courses, it takes you directly to all those courses. Click on this, takes you directly to where you want it to go. This then I will show you how to create something like this, where you click show more, it goes show more. You click show less, it goes show less. You click show more, it increases, and then you close the tree, it closes. And then pop-ups as well. We talk about pop-up, where you can click on sign up, and then to bring on this pop-up, this login system, and you can click on this login. It should, in case you've not yet registered, in case you've registered rather. So when you click on login, it changes to login, and once you click on login, it takes you to a place where you are meant to go. You can see that this header has changed to this avatar here, and I can open this tree and go on to some of these tabs here. So these and many more are what we are going to talk about in this UI design course. I can't wait to meet with you, and we will have a fluid and fantastic training and session together.